I'm going to continue to use this 8A instrument, start blending the composite to create the primary tooth contour. Using this 8A to blend the composite, and you'll see that I'm blending it towards the incisal to thin it, and then towards the cervical. For this last layer of the microfill, I want to try and encapsulate all the composite that's below it. So I like one large increment so that I can not have an issue with having seams of layer of composite onto layer of composite. Once that composite has its sort of primary anatomy form, I'm going to go back in with my IPC instrument and blend this composite along the cervical, and then blending the composite into the interproximal.